Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0 M for my dear guys, for my dear audience. In this video, I'll describe most beautiful welding project for decorations or for decoring ideas in a garden or in front of our doors or indoor or outdoor. So, my dear guys, when we talk about a welding project for decoration, then different question arise in our mind like is what is welding in design, or what is the best welder for home project, or what project is welding used for, or what is the most popular welding method. So my dear guys, welding is done by fusing molten metal together or by applying a filler metal consumable to a joint. So the result is that the welded material is stronger and more resilient than before. So without a professionally produced, well designed, the joint of a structure may not be strong enough and may fail. So what is the best welder for different home project? So for most home welding project, a MIG welder is a good choice because it is easy to use and can handle a variety of materials. However, if you plan to work with aluminum or other non-ferrous metal, a TIG welder may be a better choice. So, what project is welding used for making different things? My dear guys, welding processes are commonly used across a range of industries, including aerospace, automotive, energy, and other different categorical position. So, my dear guys, when we talk different used to join metals, then I can say it can be used to join metals, thermoplastics, or wood for a variety of applications. So, it is also used to create artwork by a growing community of artists. So most popular welding method is in for making different things for decoring purpose or for indoor beauteous locations or outdoor beauteous location. So my dear guys, the shielded metal arc welding stick is the most popular welding process. So it is the most versatile and uses the simplest equipment. The small light electrode and holder can be used in very tight places or reach several hundred feet away from the welding power supplies. So five main basic design for welding project is butt joint welding, T-joint welding, corner joint welding, lap joint welding, and edge joint welding also. So how to weld in design space? Make sure the image you would like to weld overlap with each other, or select different images that will be welded together. So once two or more layers are selected, so the weld tool will become active and different categorical positions. So which welding type is best? Small shielded metal arc welding, also known as manual metal arc welding, is undoubtedly the best and most versatile arc welding process. So which welding is faster? MIG welding is also faster process than TIG welding, allowing for longer run to be completed in less time. So ultimately, TIG is better in some instances and MIG is better in other. So what is the most easy welding? Metal inert gas welding is an excellent choice for beginning welders. So this easy to handle machine is usually spool fed to create professional looking joints on both thick and thin metals. So MIG welding requires a separate shielding gas but does not require chipping and cleaning slag as the stick welding process can. So what is a new type of welding? It's called induction welding, and it uses an induction coil to create an electromagnetic field that heats the metal for welding and welding project. So how is welding used today? Welding is used in automotive, aerospace, shipbuilding and construction industries to fabricate high quality products you see every day, as well as to weld sculptures and unique metal art project. So welding is also used in the manufacturing of small electronic devices, medical equipment, and nanotechnology also. So how to make money welding at home? First of all, coffee table, making table, stool, or any furniture is a great way to earn money. But in my video, I especially for decor welding project, for most welding project for decoring ideas. I also, so metal art, it is also idea for making a different money. Stainless steel handler, handrail, and towel rack, steel fire pit, and photo to frame. So welded metal sculptures and art pieces from scrap metal and welding cord are also used. So most modern welding is shielded metal arc welding, also known as manual metal arc welding or stick welding. This process uses a consumable electrode covered with flux and submerged or arc welding, saw, and tungsten inert gas welding, says a metal inert gas welding also, and welding inspection and certification requires also. So which welding is most difficult? Tungsten inert gas welding is widely considered the most challenging welding process to learn. So the sheer complexity of the technique requires more practice and a focus to master than other less technical welding method. Antique welding also results in some of the strongest and sturdiest welds in the industry. So, where is welding most popular? First of all, Texas, um, California, many employees, which is work for 48,380 and 31,510 and 80,240 employees, and Wisconsin 1,880 employees. So my dear guys, what are different designs rule for welding? My dear guys, joint should be designed with the locating feature for part to part like alignment, and to prevent deflection. Parts should be designed such that wall thickness is robust enough to resist weld forces. So adding a return flange adjacent to the weld joint can ensure proper support. So some weld joint design is a welding joint is a point of edge where two or more pieces of metal or plastic are joined together. So they are formed by welding two or more work pieces, metal or plastic, according to a particular geometry. So five types of joint are referred to by the American Welding Society: butt, corner, edge, lap, and also T. So how to attach by color in design space? Select the image you would like to cut in a specific arrangement by tapping and dragging a selection boxes. So you will want to attach by layer or color. So tap action at the bottom of the screen, then tap attach. So how do you show weld in drawings? Weld solid can be shown as outline or paths with or without hidden lines. So in the first example, the wheel on the right and in the middle are drawn with outlines and own hidden lines. So the weld on the left shows the weld path and hidden lines. So my dear guys, I think that my video and my these uh, welding project decor ideas interesting for you, and if interesting, then subscribe my channel and like my video and share my video with your affectionate love. So thank you very much guys for watching my video. Once again, thank you very much.